Most passive income videos on YouTube are fake or unrealistic. In this video, I'll show you 10 passive income ideas that are still working in 2026. Realistic, beginner-friendly, and actually paying people today. No scams, no hype, just real methods you can start step by step. Passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means doing the work once and getting paid repeatedly over time. Some of these ideas are low risk, some are scalable, and some can turn into full-time income if done correctly. Let's start. Number 1. High-interest savings accounts. The first passive income idea is high-interest savings accounts. This is the safest form of passive income and perfect for beginners. Instead of letting your money sit idle, high-yield savings accounts pay you interest monthly or yearly. It won't make you rich, but it protects your money from inflation and builds a strong foundation. Number 2. Dividend-paying stocks and ETFs. Dividend stocks and ETFs pay you regularly just for holding them. Many beginners prefer ETFs because they spread risk across multiple companies. Over time, reinvesting dividends can create a powerful compounding effect. This is one of the most popular long-term passive income strategies in 2026. Number 3. Print on demand. Print on demand means selling custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters without holding inventory. You upload designs once, and platforms handle printing, shipping, and customer service. While it takes effort at the beginning, successful designs can generate income for years. Number 4. Affiliate blogging with AI. Affiliate blogging is still working in 2026, and AI has made it easier. You write helpful articles that recommend products, and you earn commissions when people buy through your links. Many bloggers now use AI tools to speed up content creation while still adding personal value and experience. Number 5. YouTube automation or faceless channels. Faceless YouTube channels are growing fast. These channels use voiceovers, stock footage, or animations instead of showing faces. Educational, finance, and documentary-style channels perform especially well. It takes time, but once videos rank, they can generate passive income for years. Number 6. Digital products. Digital products like PDFs, templates, planners, or Notion dashboards are one of the best passive income ideas. You create the product once and sell it unlimited times. Many creators earn more from digital products than ad revenue because profit margins are extremely high. Number 7. Stock photography and AI images. Stock photography is no longer limited to professional photographers. In 2026, creators also sell AI-generated images on stock platforms, following ethical guidelines. Each image can earn small amounts repeatedly over time. Number 8. No-code apps or SaaS tools. No-code platforms now allow beginners to build apps or tools without programming. Subscription-based tools generate recurring monthly income. This is one of the highest-paying passive income models, but requires learning and patience. Number 9. Online mini courses. Short online courses are performing better than long ones. If you know a skill, like Excel, English, AI tools, or freelancing, you can turn it into a simple course. Once uploaded, courses can sell repeatedly with minimal updates. Passive income is real, but it requires. Number 10. Real Estate Investment Trusts, REIT. Real estate investment trusts allow you to invest in real estate without buying property. You earn dividends from rental income and property appreciation. This is ideal for people who want real estate exposure without management stress.